Hey guys, on this Pro Contractor video series, we're going to talk about referral business, getting referrals. As a contractor, referrals are key to keeping business going. And it goes without saying that building referrals should always be top of mind, right? We recently surveyed our clients and we came up with some super interesting information that I want to share with you. It really opened my eyes. In the survey, people were asked what would prompt them to contact a particular contractor. Almost 100% selected referral as the most important factor. They like referrals from their friends. 81% said reputation in town was huge. 27% said job site sign, which blew me away. I didn't expect that. 13.5% said lumberyard referrals. Another 13.5% selected internet searches, which I think is on the rise. 0 said truck lettering, and 0 said Chamber of Commerce or other local sources, advertising. I'm sure this response is no surprise to anyone. I'm not, shining any light here, but what I want you to think about is who is really doing the referrals for us. Now, clearly, have friends refer us to them, but who's really giving us the most jobs? I'm the first to say that existing clients are a good source of referrals. The difficult challenge as contractors is that our existing clients don't think of us every day. We're not top of mind. So they're not our best chance for a referral. Based on my research and my past job research, fellow contractors refer us the most, or at least refer me the most. Go back and check your projects. I bet I'm right on this. The best reference or referral source are the contractors that sell to the same target customer. Non-competing businesses like your subcontractors. What do I mean? My electrician, plumber, painter, decorator, architect, lumberyard, salespeople, landscape contractor, etc. You figure it out. They're your best chance for continual, ongoing referrals. I get more job referrals from my painter than almost any other source, and I in turn refer them as well. Just as we try to attract that end user of our services, we should probably be spending time educating, motivating, and soliciting referrals from our fellow tradespeople. Check your records, guys. Go back and look at the jobs you've got. I guarantee that you'll see what I'm talking about has some fact. I was blown away by this. 25 years later, it took me to figure this out. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up, leave us a comment. I really want to hear what you guys think about this. And please consider subscribing. I'm Rob Robillard. We'll see you next time here at Concord Carpenter.